Okay, so we are building this expense tracker in ReactJS, and I have uploaded like previous videos in my YouTube channel. You can check them as well, like what we are doing in this. So I got a comment on my previous video that we should include like balance left, after the whether we are adding the income or expenses. Okay, we should have balance in somewhere to showcase like how much we are left with, right? So right now, if we don't have any transaction yet. Okay, let's just we add a new one. Let's just say income is let's say salary. Okay, and income amount is 60,000. Okay, and let's say date is 24th, and category, you can edit anything. So I added this income. You can see like this balance left is updating itself. Okay, whether we are adding any income or expenses. Let's say add any expenses, like we bought something like a TV. Okay, we bought a TV. Let's say it is 30,000. Okay, and we bought this on let's say 25th. Okay, and then bought a TV, right? If you add this expense, you will see like how much you are left with. Okay, so this is what we have built in this the new feature we have added in this. Please be with me, and I'll add more features in there, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't, and to see further what we are building. Okay, and I'll be adding new features in this. Thank you.